all about a success story of a remote village which exists in the Telangana state. As you have known that the government as well as various NGOs are requesting the people to go for vaccination of COVID-19. Even though many things are happening, people are afraid of taking the vaccine, especially in the rural areas. To overcome these type of the things, there is a project called Madad. It's a model developed by a group of the NRIs from the US and the project lead by Mr. Raja Kartikeya. The model has been created with a mission that proper education and training of local healthcare workers and registered medical practitioners, also referred as RMPs. It will be fundamental in controlling the COVID-19 spreading in rural India. This model consists of 5 elements. The first and foremost is active countering of COVID-19 misinformation in vernacular language, means local language. Spread the information about COVID-19 in the local language to the people. The second is adopt innovative methods to encourage socially responsible behavior and increase vaccine acceptance. Inform the people about the advantages of taking the COVID-19 vaccine. The third one is targeted delivery of vaccine to achieve universal coverage. Let's the availability of the vaccine in the correct places. The fourth one is use the technology to address the specific dimensions of COVID-19 challenges. Use the social media as well as other types of media to tell about the COVID-19. The final one is empowerment of rural healthcare workers like ASHA workers as well as Anganwadi teachers. So these are the people who are very important. Here you can see the local Panchayati office and with the expertise of predicting and implementing third wave of COVID-19 pandemic. So Telangana village has good news to share. Project Madad has turned Rajannapet, which exists in the district of Rajanna Siricilla. It has become the first COVID-19 resilient village in the country India. The members of Project Madad said they have implemented 5 public health measures to achieve the status. The universal health immunization against COVID-19 was one of the measures. In Rajannapet, a 5 prolonged model devised under Project Madad with the help of district health team. The perseverance of past weeks has led to Rajannapet becoming the village with universal vaccine coverage while following the best COVID-19 practices. So a 4-day campaign which is ended just recently, July 31st, 2021, was conducted to vaccinate 1,328 people out of 1,700 adults. Adults means above 18 years of age in the village eligible for COVID-19. Following 10 weeks of public health innovations, various campaigns, various programs have conducted. This Madad team have given the sanitizers, masks, oximeters, thermometers to the ASHA employees as well as Anganwadi teachers, and also they have given to the youth as well as NGOs which are exist in the Rajannapet village. So in this one, 372 people have not been vaccinated because of they have some health complications and some of them already got COVID-19. So these 1,328 people got the first dose of vaccine. According to the project, Madad, it is about achieving a social and behavioral transformation that makes the village impervious to seasonal outbreaks, reduces the outbreaks to a few isolated cases, and doesn't let the virus acquire pandemic proportions. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you.